Hi folks, Gary from ARB Springwood again. Quick update on Max. We've just got hold of a Jmacx'd rear axle upgrade. It's a track correction and extra load carrying capacity. That housing is rated at 2,700 kilos and widens the track by 100 mil. Why do we need to widen the track by 100 mil? Well, Toyota in their wisdom upgraded the front end of the vehicle to accept a V8. So they opened up the chassis, which made the wheels stick out further, but they left the rear end the same. So now we've got some rear wheels that sit further in and the front wheels that sit further out. You'll find that the vehicles with the narrow track on the rear tend to feel like they've got almost like flat tyres on the back. And so to improve the handling, certainly off-road, you've got two wheels that are tracking the same with the wider diff housing. So the chrome moly axles come in two pieces. You've got the axle and the end flange. They are much stronger than the factory ones, fully machined, fully manufactured by Jmacx'd. So the two housings we've got here, we've got the factory Toyota 70 series housing and we've got the Jmacx'd manufactured housing. The offset between them, we've got the two flanges on one end lined up, and you can see the difference here. 100 mil narrower track on the factory one compared to the Jmacx'd. So the Jmacx'd is manufactured to hold true with the front wheels, whereas the factory one is that narrower one, sits well inside. The Jmacx'd housing comes in with all the standard fittings to mount up all your original equipment. So without modification it'll fit up. It also fits perfectly with our BP51 suspension and our Old Man Emu nitro charger suspension. It also carries the 2,700 kilo load rating, which they've also allowed another 300 kilos of safety margin in that. We've also opted to go with the high clearance kit, which keeps the spring seats and U-bolts out of the way, raises them up off the ground a bit higher. Beautiful CNC machined system from Jmacx'd to give you a bit more off-road clearance. Okay folks, we're really looking forward to getting this stuff fitted up to max and letting you have a look once we're all done. So until next time, we'll see you then.